Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of the hassle of tracking client attendance and stressing over no-shows, today's video is a game changer for you. Let's dive into how GoHighLevel can streamline this process effortlessly. First up, log into your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to the Calendar tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see all your appointments laid out neatly, whether it's for today, this week, or the month. Click on any appointment to pull up all the juicy details, everything from client notes to their current appointment status. Now, head over to the Automations tab and click Create Workflow. Set your trigger to Appointment Status and choose No Show. This is where you can add an action, like sending a friendly email or SMS nudging your client to reschedule. To evaluate how well your follow-ups are working, return to the dashboard and track the engagement metrics. Streamline your scheduling with GoHighLevel. Start your 30-day free trial now and see the difference. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call. Check the video description for links. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.